Hello, everyone. This is Diane and Joe with Tips on Pips. Hello, Joe.
Hey, Diane.
Hey, we're on rule number 6 today. The markets can remain illogical longer than you and I can remain solvent. Can you spell this out for me, Joe?
Yes, it's one of the best sayings around in trading in general, not just Forex, but any kind of trading. So, what we're talking about is if we look at this box down here below on the chart, this is a daily chart of the USD CAD. At some point, there's going to be people that go long and there's going to be people that go short. If you were one that went ahead and went short down here at the bottom, it's easy to see now, but at the time we don't know if that's the bottom or not. And you thought, okay, it's going to pull back, it's going to come back to my entry point, and you held on. And it went up one day, it went up 2 days, it went up 3 days. I mean, you're still feeling like, oh, we can pull back. Take a look at this. 4, 5, 6, and hopefully you have listened to rule number 1 when you haven't added to a negative trade. Well, Diane, as you can see, this has continuously gone up. And once again, this is a daily chart, and this is for weeks. I mean, this is a long time. And the pit values here, let's say you got in somewhere around 23.5, something like that. All of a sudden, we're all the way up to 3,100. You
Yeah.
cannot survive that type of move with a normal trading account.
So, the best solution is,
Well, the best solution is to have a stop in place. I mean, it's hard to do it in real time because nobody likes to get stopped down, and
Mhm.
we all like to think it's going to roll back over and we're going to get out without a loss. The fact of the matter is that the market can move a long time, and frankly, it could be years before the market could revisit the point that you enter. So I don't know. Most people can't wait years for the trade to come out. So you use a stop. You also don't add to a negative trade. And if you find yourself and you're starting to think the market has to return, it's going too far. Who knows what too far is, Diane? Look at this move again. And this is not a rare instance. We had a huge move down going into the box. We had a huge move out of the box going up, and it never really did get back down to where it was. So you could either A, be stuck in a trade, or worse, be stuck in a trade and lose your account because you got too negative, or I guess the triple worst would be to be stuck in trade and add to a negative.
Boy, I'll tell you, that chart is a good one and really describes what's going on. And Joe, when we talk about the markets remaining illogical longer than we can remain solvent, when we get stuck upside down like this, we become fairly illogical as well. Our brain actually has a chemistry release that freezes us. And if we stay frozen for this long enough to wipe out an account, we really need to double think what rules we're following or if we're following any at all. Is that fair?
Yes, we need to make the decision about where our take profit is and more importantly, our stop loss is before we enter the trade. So enter the trade, put your stop in, and then you can go. Remember that the thing we need to protect really most of all is our trading capital. And most people tend to focus on how much I can make, not how much I can lose. But look, we're going to have losing trades, and we need to make sure those losing trades are controlled and so that the winning trades can exceed the losing trades.
So plan the trade before you go in because the market, you don't know what the market's going to be doing
That's right.
at any given time. Joe, this is great advice. Thank you so much. Looking forward to coming back for Rule 7.